Approaching Aquarium Cafe Island on Bhimtal Lake, Uttaranchal. I am on a pedal boat. A short ride from the shore. A big tourist resort as also a religious locale in Uttaranchal, Bhimtal Lake. Awesome weather, bright sunshine and cool and pleasant. You might be noticing I'm wearing a jacket in this hot sunshine. Yes, it's very cool and pleasant. Here's my boatman, not with oars, but pedaling. Akin to cycling. Here, approaching Aquarium Cafe, scenic Aquarium Cafe. It's a tiny island on Bhimtal Lake. May the horse be with you.